Hello everybody and welcome to the very first product review. No, this is not a paid video. I just like sharing the stuff that I use that I have found to be an amazing thing that I think other people should use. So, without further ado, what are we, well, it says it in the title. There's no point in saying what are we reviewing today. I gotta remember where I just put it. These, NUUN, I don't know, vitamin and hydration, and one is just hydration. I've used them both and they are amazing. When I was on my 30-mile ride, about halfway through it, I had already drank 2 of my 24-ounce bottles of water. So I took my last one and popped one of these in. And I only put half of one of these tabs in it. And I was almost instantly like, wow, I feel so much better. So just drinking water a lot of times isn't enough if you're being really active. These things are absolutely amazing. They're just that. As far as taste, I guess they taste like what they're supposed to. Like this one's strawberry melon, this one's lemon lime. The taste isn't like gonna set the world on fire. It isn't gross or it isn't disgusting or ugh. It tastes okay. It almost tastes like Kool-Aid without the sugar, I guess is what I'd say. But it is kind of carbonatey. I mean, it has what plants crave. It has electrolytes. So I would seriously go and give these a try. I know you can get them at most bike shops. I got this one at a bike shop, and this was one that a friend gave me to try out, and I love it. So I know you will too. But there's tons of different flavors of these things. Go check out their website. I'll try to dig up a link to their website because I've never even been to it yet. I know I looked through a catalog at a local store of what flavors they had, and I ordered one that I know I'm gonna like, which is wildberry. Anything like wildberry or raspberry or anything like that, I love. So that will be the first review, is this stuff. I just wanted to get this out of the way because this kept me going in that 30-mile ride, which was like, I think 10 more miles longer than my longest ride to date. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. There'll be more reviews coming. The rest of the stuff's gonna be bike gear. This is just necessary to using bike gear, I guess, if you're gonna go hardcore. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the very next video. Okay, bye!